Threads is a new app, built by the Instagram team, for sharing text updates and joining public conversations. 2. You log in using your Instagram account and posts can be up to 500 characters long and include links, photos, and videos up to 5 minutes in length. 3. They are working to soon make Threads compatible with the open, interoperable social networks that we believe can shape the future of the Internet. Introducing Threads, a new way to share with text. Mark Zuckerberg just announced the initial version of Threads, an app built by the Instagram team for sharing with text. Whether you're a creator or a casual poster, Threads offers a new, separate space for real-time updates and public conversations. They are working toward making Threads compatible with the open, interoperable social networks that they believe can shape the future of the Internet. Instagram is where billions of people around the world connect over photos and videos. Their vision with Threads is to take what Instagram does best and expand that to text, creating a positive and creative space to express your ideas. Just like on Instagram, with Threads you can follow and connect with friends and creators who share your interests, including the people you follow on Instagram and beyond. And you can use their existing suite of safety and user controls. Join the conversation from Instagram. It's easy to get started with Threads. Simply use your Instagram account to log in. Your Instagram username and verification will carry over, with the option to customize your profile specifically for Threads. Everyone who is under 16, or under 18 in certain countries, will be defaulted into a private profile when they join Threads. You can choose to follow the same accounts you do on Instagram, and find more people who care about the same things you do. The core accessibility features available on Instagram today, such as screen reader support and AI-generated image descriptions, are also enabled on Threads. Your feed on Threads includes threads posted by people you follow, and recommended content from new creators you haven't discovered yet. Posts can be up to 500 characters long and include links, photos, and videos up to 5 minutes in length. You can easily share a Threads post to your Instagram story, or share your post as a link on any other platform you choose. Tune out the noise. They built Threads with tools to enable positive, productive conversations. You can control who can mention you or reply to you within Threads. Like on Instagram, you can add hidden words to filter out replies to your threads that contain specific words. You can unfollow, block, restrict or report a profile on Threads by tapping the three-dot menu, and any accounts you've blocked on Instagram will automatically be blocked on Threads. As with all their products, they are taking safety seriously, and they will enforce Instagram's community guidelines on content and interactions in the app. Since 2016, they've invested more than $16 billion in building up the teams and technologies needed to protect our users, and they remain focused on advancing their industry-leading integrity efforts and investments to protect their community. Compatible with interoperable networks. Soon, they are planning to make Threads compatible with ActivityPub, the open social networking protocol established by the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, the body responsible for the open standards that power the modern web. This would make Threads interoperable with other apps that also support the ActivityPub protocol, such as Mastodon and WordPress, allowing new types of connections that are simply not possible on most social apps today. Other platforms including Tumblr have shared plans to support the ActivityPub protocol in the future. They are committed to giving you more control over your audience on Threads. Their plan is to work with ActivityPub to provide you the option to stop using Threads and transfer your content to another service. Their vision is that people using compatible apps will be able to follow and interact with people on Threads without having a Threads account, and vice versa, ushering in a new era of diverse and interconnected networks. If you have a public profile on Threads, this means your posts would be accessible from other apps, allowing you to reach new people with no added effort. If you have a private profile, you'd be able to approve users on Threads who want to follow you and interact with your content, similar to your experience on Instagram. The benefits of open social networking protocols go well beyond the ways people can follow each other. Developers can build new types of features and user experiences that can easily plug into other open social networks, accelerating the pace of innovation and experimentation. Each compatible app can set its own community standards and content moderation policies, meaning people have the freedom to choose spaces that align with their values. They believe this decentralized approach, similar to the protocols governing email and the web itself, will play an important role in the future of online platforms. Threads is Meta's first app envisioned to be compatible with an open social networking protocol. They hope that by joining this fast-growing ecosystem of interoperable services, Threads will help people find their community, no matter what app they use. What's next? They are rolling out Threads today in more than 100 countries for iOS and Android, and people in those countries can download the app from the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. In addition to working toward making Threads compatible with the ActivityPub protocol, soon they'll be adding a number of new features to help you continue to discover threads and creators you're interested in, including improved recommendations in feed and a more robust search function that makes it easier to follow topics and trends in real time. They're excited to hear your feedback and introduce fun new ways to connect on the app.